Hello students, today we are going to discuss lesson 7, that is half of the profit. Okay, so already we have the explanations I have given to you before their classes, and today I will give you the summary of the chapter. Okay, so lesson 7, half of the profit. So in this chapter we see once a king decided to celebrate his 15th birthday grandly. So he made up his mind to give a royal feast to all his friends. So one day what happened? Once the king decided to celebrate his 50th birthday grandly, and he made up his mind to give a royal feast to all his friends. So on this occasion, he invited all the neighboring king and noblemen. So he ordered a grand feast to be prepared in a royal palace. Okay, so you remember the story, no? So we see the next paragraph when we read that. Unfortunately, on the previous night of the royal feast, what happened? There was a severe means a very big storm. As a result, no fisherman could go to the sea to catch fish. So the following morning too, the sea was too rough, so the fisherman could not go for fishing. So there was no fish. So the king's stewards searched everywhere for fresh fish for the royal feast. And the king, they returned to the palace, the stewards. You remember stewards, no? What is the meaning of stewards? Stewards meaning is a person whose job is to arrange the supply of food. So the stewards went around in the market in search of fish. Did he find any fish there? No. So because of the heavy storm, the fishermen could not go to the sea. So there were no fish. So the king's stewards searched everywhere for fresh fish. But no fish was available. The stewards returned to the palace and reported to the king the matter to the king. So what the king said? What? No fish for the royal feast? Asked the king. It is a dishonor to give a feast without fish. So king was very upset to celebrate his birthday or the meal without a fish. So what happened? The stewards went to the market with a message. So king gave a message to the stewards. What's the message? Do you remember? What is the message the king gave it to the stewards? The king told that, tell everyone, I shall offer a very high reward to anyone who dared to go to the sea and catch fish for the feast. That is the reward the king ordered. If anybody is there to go to the sea to catch the fish, I will give them a very good reward. That is the message the king gave to the steward. So stewards, what he did? The stewards went to the market with the message of the king. Who will go to the sea now? Asked the fisherman. So the fishermen were very scared to go to the sea because of the heavy storm. The sea is still rough and waves are rising. So how will we go to sea to catch the fish? Nobody was there to go. So what happened? Meanwhile, all the preparations of the royal feast continued. Anyway, the preparations were continued for the royal feast. So the banquet has finally decorated. Arches were put in front of the palace. The king's palace was lit with colorful lights. But the kings and the officials were sad that there was no fish for the feast. Though it was decorated, the palace was decorated and all the arrangements were done, but heart in heart, who was sad? The king was very upset because he was not getting fish for the banquet. So just then a fisherman came to the palace carrying a big fish in his basket. At the sight of the fish, the king was very happy. You see, when you read the chapter, you see, while seeing that big fish, king was very happy. So what the king told to the fisherman? My lord, said the fisherman, I have brought this big fish for the feast. The king was so delighted. Delighted means the king was very happy. I shall reward you for giving me this favor. So I shall give you any reward you ask. I am ready to give. Who told this? King told to the fisherman, one who brought the fish. Okay. So what happened then? Well, the 100 lashes on my bare back is the price of my fish, said the fisherman. So what the fisherman said? I wanted to, you give me the price 100 lashes on my bare back. That is the price I wanted. Officials and the king were greatly surprised to hear this. But anyway, king told, are you joking? If you are joking, you said to me rightly, what do you want? The reward. I am ready to give anything you ask. Tell me the price of your fish and I shall pay you at once. Who told this? King told. You tell me what price you want. I am ready to give anything for you. Okay. So again, the fisherman told, I want nothing else, but I want 100 lashes on my bare back. That is the reward he wanted. Okay. So, realizing, the king ordered the personal attendant. What is the personal attendant means? That means the assistant of the king. So, he called the assistant he asked him to give the fisherman 100 lashes. But what he told quietly? And see that the lashes are quite soft and gentle. The fisherman told that I want 100 lashes on my bare back. But though he asked, you give him very soft and gentle beating. Okay. So that is what king told to his assistant. So immediately the assistant took the whip and started giving gentle lashes on the fisherman's back. Then after the 50th lash, the fisherman exclaimed, hold. Hold means to stop there. I have a partner this business and it is fitting that he should receive his share. So what he told, while he was getting the beating, when it was 50 beating, he got very soft and gentle beating. And while it was 50, he told that please stop here, I have a companion. So he also, I want to share with him. So by hearing this, the king and the assistant, the people in the palace were greatly surprised. What? King exclaimed. Are you two such fools in my kingdom? Name him and he shall be sent for immediately. So king asked the fisherman, who is your companion? You need not go very far, dear king. He is the gatekeeper of your palace. He was not allowing me to come inside with the fish. He demanded half of whatever I received for my fish. It's interesting, no? So what the fisherman told? It is none other than your gatekeeper, my king. So while I was coming inside the palace with this big fish, he demanded that when you wanted to go inside the palace, and whatever you he demanded that if you half of whatever you received from palace, from the king, I wanted to get half of that. That is what the gatekeeper demanded. So I wanted to give half of my reward. You are very clever, said the king. The gatekeeper shall receive his share. That is what the king told. So he was ordered the gatekeeper to come inside the palace, and he ordered that give him the 50 hard lashes on his bare back. So it was very hard beating. Okay. So after receiving his share of the lashes, the gatekeeper was dismissed from the king's service. So that also was very sad thing. So he got very hard lashes on the gatekeeper got hard lashes on the bare back, and also he was dismissed from the job also. So it was a very this hard lashes. Okay. Then the fisherman was rewarded with a fine pearl for the fish. And also the fisherman, what he got the reward? He got the reward as a fine pearl for the fish. That is the reward finally the king gave it to the fisherman. It's a very nice story and interesting. I hope you have understood the story. I have given you today the summary of the story, but you will be going through the lessons once again as a revision and also learn the word meaning, exercises, lot of things there is to learn. The question answers, many exercises. We have everything we have done in the previous classes. Hope you are preparing for the half yearly well. Thank you students for listening.